In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size of fields in DocuSign. To get started, sign into your DocuSign account and click Start from the main dashboard. This is where you begin creating a new sending process. After that, choose Envelope. In DocuSign, an envelope is the container that holds your document, recipients, and signing fields. So this is the correct option when you want to prepare something for signature. Next, select Get Signatures. This tells DocuSign that you're sending a document out for signing rather than using another workflow. Once you're there, upload the document you want to send. You can choose the file from your computer and wait for it to finish loading before moving on. Make sure it's the correct version of the document, since you'll be placing fields directly onto it. Now add the recipient by entering the signer's name and email address. After the recipient information is in place, click Next to open the document preparation screen. This is where you'll actually add and edit the fields that appear on the document. From the Fields panel, select the field you want to customize and place it onto the document. This could be a text field or another field type that supports text formatting. Once the field is on the page, click the specific field you want to change so its settings become available. Open the field settings and look for the font size option. Depending on your layout, this may appear in a Properties panel or Settings area for the selected field. When you find it, choose the font size you want to use. This is useful if the default size looks too small, too large, or doesn't match the space available in the document. After changing the font size, take a moment to review the field carefully. Check that the text fits properly inside the field and that it looks clean and readable. This step is especially important if the field is narrow or placed in a tight section of the page, because changing the font size can affect how the content appears when the recipient fills it out. Once everything looks right, click Send to send the envelope with the updated field font size. That's all there is to it. You've successfully adjusted the font size of a field in DocuSign and prepared your document for signing. Thanks for watching.